Hi students, I hope all of you fine. Students, in previous classes I gave a little introduction about animals. Yes or no? So students, today we are going to more about it. Means today we are going to more discuss about the animals. How animals are helpful for our day to day life. Yes or no student? In previous chapter we have discussed about how plants are helpful for our day to day life. Yes or no? Can anyone remember in previous chapter how plants are helping to us in our whole life, not only for our human life, animal life and other animals also, birds also, plants are helping all of you. Like this student, how animal also helpful for us, today we are going to discuss. Before going to discuss about our how animal helping us, can anyone tell me student, are any animal are helpful for us? Can anyone tell me? Do you have any idea about it? How a animal is helping to our human beings? Okay students, if you don't have idea, yes, very good. Yes, animals are helping us. How? See a little example you can see. Cow, we will take the example of cow. Cow is giving milk, so that milk we are drinking, that means cow is helping us and cow is animal. So this type of more example we will come to know, and we also come to know how the animals are helping to our day to day life. So let's start student. See student, here the second chapter is paws and wings, that animals that help us. So how animal is helping us to our day to day life, we are going to study. Okay student, so let's start. Like plants, animals are also living things. Okay, like plants, animals are also living things, we have discussed before also. We have already learnt in the too. Like other living things look different. Okay, so we have discussed student, all living things means all of the things they are looking different from others, means how we have studied plants are different from other plant. So all plants are different, all like this, all animals also different from other. All plants, animals and other human beings, they are not look same. So we all are different from other, according to our color, according to our body language, according to our other thing. So we are different from others. So now tell me students, name 3 big and 3 small animals name. Can anyone tell me 3 big animal and 3 small animal? Do you have idea? And you might have seen in your around you also different types of animals, birds, big and smalls are there. Can anyone tell me? So here for example I will give you, if you have idea then you think yourself. First one we can say big animal, that is elephant, giraffe, camel. So these are the animal, they are very big in size, their body is very big body. Okay, elephant you can see here. So this is the peak of elephant. So elephant, so it is a very big animal. Giraffe, camel, like this student. Small animal we can say ant, rat, that is mouse, and cat also, they are very small. And we can take also example of mosquito. So this is very small. Okay, mosquito, you know, that is mosquito also in small animals. So this is the example of big animal and small animal. And if you have more knowledge about it, then you think the big animals who are there and small animals also. Okay students, so just like plants, animals are also found in different plants. Yes or no student, it is very important. Where I putting underline, you have to put underline, you have to watch my all videos and you have to read the books. Okay students, so just like plants, We know plants all are we can found in different places, every places. You look at outside students, everywhere you can find the plants. So like this student, animal are also found in different places. Okay, you see in somewhere in, if you are living in colony, if you are living in village, then if you are living in town, or if you are living in other cities areas, then you look at around yourself. Sometimes you will find different types of animals, maybe cat, maybe dog, and maybe other things, maybe snake. So like these plants, like how plants are we can found in different places, animals also we can found different places. Student, here you see first observe the picture very carefully. Okay, see here, it is like mountain. Here tigers are there, and this is another animal also are there. Here also you see bear also there, penguin are there. So this is the very snow area. You can find this type of white bear and penguin. You can find this type of animal. And it is the forest. You can see students, many plants are there. And here lions, deer, and panda. It is a panda also, I think. Yes, panda is there. And it is a desert area, students. There is only sand. So it is not a forest, there is no water, only desert area. Cactus plant is there, and camel is there. Camel is also big plant, big animal. So camel, and that is rat, mouse, and that is scorpion. Okay, so it is this type of animal they will found in desert area. See student, here also town also there, and along with town there is some other places. Here you can find cat, cow. Yes, no, this is the land area. You can find different types of animals. Okay, and bird also. But to come to here student, this is the water area. Okay, water bodies or water area. It may be sea, oceans, or pond. Sea, it may be sea. It is a starfish. It is a dolphin. It is a another animals in seas. So this is the different area we can find out the different animals. Yes or no student? Got it? Some idea about it? How we knows before we came to know plants we can found in different area. Maybe it is desert area, maybe seashore, maybe other mountain area. So like this mountain, forest, desert area, snow area, means where everywhere snow is there, and that is the town area, and that is the water bodies also. So this everywhere animals are there. Okay, understood students? So like this student, now we will come to one activity. Here one side, this is the column A, this is the column A, this is the column B. Okay, we have to now match the column A with B. Here left side column A, what is given? Trees, sea, jungle, farm, land plus water is given. But here column B side what is given? Different types of name of animals: whale, dog, cow, parrot, and lion. Students, we have to match their column A with column B. That means column here different places are given. Means tree is a place also, sea is also, it is a plant, but it is a place, a habitat place of the animals. Here animal is given, in their habitat place is given. So we have to match their animals with their habitat place. Habitat place means student where they will live. Okay, where they will live for their day to day life. How we are living in our house, home, this is our habitat area. Every day, every time we are spending our time in our home. Like this student, for their animals of they are also a home. That home is called habitat area. So now the animals and their habitat places we have to match. So column A student, you see tree. In tree which animals we can found? Whale, no. Dog, no. Cow, no. Parrot. So A parrot will where will be live? On tree. Okay students, parrot will be on tree. parrot will be live. See student, here I will show you. See, some of the birds they are living in on the tree, so that is called parrot will be living on tree. So next student I will come sea. In sea who will be there? Sea, this is the sea. Who will be there? We have to match whale, dog, cow, parrot तो already finished, lion, no, whale. See, it is a whale. So whale, shark or whale, you think it is a whale fish. So whale will be live in sea only. So for whale habitat area is sea. Understood student? So like this student we will come to jungle. In jungle who will be live? See, jungle who will be live? Deer, lion, panda. So here if lion there we can match easily. So in jungle lion will be live. Understood student? Now we will come to farm. In farm who will be live? I told you previous classes what is farm, where we will keep plant animals, some animals, that is called farm, domestic animals. So farm who will be live? Cow. Cow will be live in farm. Understood students? Now we will come to land plus water. Land plus water who will be live student? Both land and water, their habitat area both, means they will be live in water sometimes, they will be live in the land. So who are they? So they are dog. So dog sometimes you can observe also, they will live on water, sometimes they will live on land part. Understood student? So this is full about animals and their habitat area, means their places where they are living every day. Understood students? So we will come to next student. You see, plants are grown in nurseries and greenhouses, and we know where the small plants and huge different types of plants will grow, that part is, that place we can say nurseries and greenhouse. Nurseries and greenhouse. Okay, how all animals will grow in their different places? Like this student, where plants will grow, we will take care them, that place is called nurseries and greenhouses. Okay student? So similarly, some animals are raised in personalized environment called farms. It is very important student. Just before I told you what is farms. Farm means student, some animals are raised in personalized environment called farms. Personalized environment means student, a separate environment they will keep. So different types of animals will keep in separate environment. Like how we are living in a home, for us there is a house, separately bedroom, kitchen room. Like this student, for animals, some animals we will keep or we will raise in personalized environment, separate environment. So that environment or houses is called farm. You might have seen student, in your village, if you are staying in village or town, we will keep cow, buffalo in their separate home. We will make for them separate home. In their separate home they will be live, and we will take care of them. We will give food, water every day. So that farm is, that place is called farm. Understood student? All these farm animals which we tame are called, see student, are called dash animals. In bracket jumble word is given, means it is written in incorrect, we have to correct. So that in all these farm animals which we tame are called domestic, domestic, domestic animal. Okay, so here incorrect word is given, we have to correct it, So after correction, what is there? domestic, domestic animals. Means student, all these animals which we tame are called domestic. Okay, means student, Some of the animals we will keep in separate environment, that is called farm, and this type of animals will take care them in our day to day life. Means how your mother or parents take caring of you student, they are giving food, they are dress, everything they are providing you, they are take caring of you. Like this student, we are the what we will do, we will keep some of the animals in our different or personalized room, that is called farm. In that room some of the animals will grow, that animals we will care them regularly, day to day life. We will give water, food, you can see here they are eating food and drinking water. So these animals are called domestic animals. Understood student? So what is farm student? I will write. So you have to write down everybody, what is farms? FARMS. What is farms? So farm means some some animals are raised, raised in personalized environment, environments, environments are called farms, FARMS. Understood student? Raised means they are take care of them, these animals, they will take care of these animals day to day life. So this is called farms. So next student, what is domestic? Domestic. All these farms means farm animals. All these farm animals which we tame, tame are called domestic animals, ANIMALS. So that is called domestic animals. All these farm animal which we tame are called domestic animals. So tame means students, means we will take care of them, which we will care them, that is called tame. Okay students? So this you might have know the some domestic animals name. You give me, for example, cow, which will give milk, and horses, HORS, yes, horses also, and other rabbit, okay, etc. So there are cow, horses, rabbit are the domestic animals, which these animals we will keep in separate home and we will take care of them day to day life. Understood student? I hope all of you understood students. So next class we will discuss more about it, okay, how the plants are helping and what are the product and what are the things we are getting from the animals. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood about this, what is animals, that is help us, means what is farms and what is domestics. Okay student, so thank you very much, take care. Next class we will discuss about more about it. Thank you.